Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel and thank you for the love so far. In today's video, I'm going to be telling us how to do an affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is actually hard, but you need to put in the hard work for you to see the results. Okay, I've been doing affiliate marketing now for 2 years and I can say it's actually hard, but with consistency, perseverance, you can achieve it. And if you do not give up, you can also achieve the result. Is this what you want to watch? Why not watch this video to the end and you'd understand how to use affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you're wondering who is speaking, my name is TechwithBunmi and I talk about online businesses. Okay, how to make money online. Without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Thank you. Of us who don't know what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products in exchange of a commission. You get a specific link or a unique link. When you promote the link or you promote the unique link, you get commission. Okay? And affiliate marketing is the best and easy way to make money online. Okay, easy way in the sense that you don't need any products, you don't have any inventories, you don't even have any business with the seller. All you need to do, you like this product and you promote it. An example is Amazon associate program. Okay, with Amazon associate program you can sell any product on Amazon. So the best way to make money through affiliate marketing is having a very good sales funnel. Okay, you will need the people, like where to get your traffic, places to sell, to distribute the link, and choosing the best niche. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be giving us 2 ways you can get traffic. Okay, one, you can get your traffic through social media. You can spread it around all your social media handles, the Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the social media, even Facebook. Okay, you spread it around, and you would, anyone that clicks on your product, okay, you get a commission. You get a commission. And the second way is through paid advertisement. You can do paid advertisement through Facebook ad, through Instagram ad, and through TikTok ad. TikTok is also reigning right now. Is a lot of people are using TikTok. So I would advise us that if you're looking for a social media or a social media to sell your product, you can start with TikTok. Okay. And obviously, YouTube is another way you can also make money with affiliate marketing by reviewing products and also selling your product. And thank God for YouTube Shorts now. You can use the YouTube Short to promote your product and people will click on your link. Interesting part is creating a landing page. Okay, I'm going to emphasize on this because especially Amazon hates spamming. You can't spam, you can't spread your link around all your social media like that. You're going to be blocked on Amazon and you don't want your account to be blocked. Okay, so all you need to do is create a landing page. So you direct your customers to your landing page, and once they see it, I'm going to be putting an example of the landing page. I'm going to be putting it inside this video for you to see. So once someone see what you're buying or what you're selling, okay, they click on they click the link, and if they like it, they buy it. And you can also promote your landing page. That is I don't know, maybe I'm going to do another video on that. You need, if you want to do something like this, like an Amazon, if you want to make it like a full business, I would encourage you to get a domain name. There's going to be a link in the description box. Okay, check the blog and you click it, you're going to get your domain name at a very, very cheap price. Okay, very reasonable price. Okay, I'm not joking. So when you get your domain name, you can use it to create your website, or perhaps have open an account with Medium. Okay, I'm going to be doing a separate video on how to create a blog with Medium. Okay, how to post on medium.com. And I'm still going to do that video, I promise you, on how to create an affiliate marketing landing page. Okay, and that video is coming. Okay, just be patient with me, right? Thank you. So with this process, you're going to create ad with your landing page, and you can even redirect your ad, and you start getting results. Spread it around, and you make another place you can sell your or distribute your affiliate link is in your community. Okay, the importance of community is very strong. Sometimes if you look at my YouTube community, I usually post some of this affiliate link, and I put the pictures so that people in my community on YouTube can search it, can look at it. If they like it, they buy. Okay. You can also join groups like Discord, Telegram, Telegram group, your WhatsApp group. You can promote it also in there. But I say no to spamming. Never spam your link. That is why you need to build your brand. You need to build your affiliate marketing brand, okay? So that you create your landing page, and or you have a blog, so that your blog, everything affiliate marketing business is going to be clean. And when people ask you, what do you sell? You just send them the link. They don't even need to pay you. You don't even have any business with any one-on-one of the company. All they need to do is you promote the link, and everything with the customer and the buyer, or the owner and the buyer is just between the customer, it's just between them. You don't need any inventory. You don't even need to send the product. The company that owns the link is going to do all that. So you don't give yourself a day. All you need to do is just know that you want to start a new side hustle business, and organize your business in a very good way. Get a domain name, get a blog, or create a blog, or sign up for a WordPress account or a Squarespace, and start putting out your blog, or you open an account with medium.com. And with that, you'll see that consistency is the key to success. Okay, with this, you're going to make success out of this, and you're going to make money with your affiliate. So now, if you are looking for product to sell, I'm going to be showing you an example on Amazon, and I'm going to be also be showing you some examples on ClickBank. Okay, if you've not watched my full tutorials on how to create an account with ClickBank, then you check my link, or the link will be here for you to watch it. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's go to my laptop, and let me show you these examples. Okay, thank you. This is the business opportunity, because there's different types of affiliate marketing you can sell. You can decide to promote software. You can decide to promote physical products, which is the affiliate, which is the Amazon affiliate, and you can decide to promote books and non-physical products. Okay, so this ClickBank use health and fitness. Okay, if you click on health and fitness, if you promote this particular app link, you get you get commission of $139. Okay, so if we scroll down, because it's wellness, let's click on it. If you decide to promote this and upsell physical products, aware approval require mobile friendly affiliate marketing tools. So you promote, if you decide to promote this, you create, I have a video on that, so I'm not going to be going into all this right now. So we click on it, and as you can see, this is the product. So if you use that link, that's any of the link, and anybody purchase this, you're going to get a commission with ClickBank. Okay, so the full video of this is, I'm going to pin it in the comment section, so you watch it. So another way is, let's go into diet, let's go into
spiritual and new age beliefs, or let's do e-commerce. Let's go to e-commerce, like e-business. You want to make money online, okay? There is this that get you want to sell this ebook, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So if you click on it, you just follow the procedures and you start a quiz and it will make you get started. Then you get a commission when someone purchases that. So if we scroll down, I hope this video is making sense, right? It's all over the places. So you can decide now. Another way, AI is raining right now, so you can easily make money with AI bot platform. So you can decide to sell this AI ebook, and people are going to buy it. Okay, this is the commission you're going to sell. If anybody purchase from it, you get $332. So with consistency and hard work, okay, affiliate marketing is the main thing. Okay, I hope you gained something from this video. Thank you.
So I hope you gained something from this video, and tell me, are you going to start affiliate marketing today? If you're doing affiliate marketing already, can you share your experience with us in the comment section? And please check my description and contact me for any of the services, or you ask me any question on affiliate marketing, anything you need to know, you want to know on affiliate marketing. And see you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.